Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video I'll be sharing with you the major puzzle Durov of the day 14th of September 2024. We'll go back to the games. The thing about this is that the most important thing about the major puzzle is there's a specific order to it. If you don't get the order, you would miss the puzzle. So just stay with me as we get right into it right now. The first one is 4, and the second one for today is 8, and the third one is this, and the last one is this. So let's check and see if it works. Yeah, so we got the 5,000 major point for today, being 14th of September 2024. Please, if you like this, if you find this video helpful, please like this channel, subscribe to this channel, and leave me your thoughts on the comment section, please. Please again, subscribe to this channel. Thank you very much. I'll see you on the next one. Bye.